So Sujay, before we
Yeah.
conclude the entire thing about the Premier League, Spurs, they had the Amazon Prime, All or Nothing, Tottenham Hotspurs. They had Mourinho. Now, big question going into this summer.
Okay.
They finished not where they wanted to finish. They don't have a manager. There's a whole thing. They want to get Pochettino back, but yeah, I don't think Pochettino will come back after everything, the snub that he had. Again, All or Nothing, Amazon Prime. Make sure you watch it. It's a good series. It gives you insight. What do you think about Harry Kane? Harry Kane, will he stay? Will he go? Because he's come out and said he wants to win championships. And given Spurs under Mr. Levy, it looks more like an investment bank than a place where you're going to be number one or win anything. So do you think, as a conclusion to our review of the Premier League, Harry Kane, who's been a leading scorer for Spurs over the years, the number one guy for England, will he be in Tottenham Hotspurs next year?
No, he shouldn't be. We're talking about Spurs in total. Let me come in order. I think Mourinho was had only because they wanted a big actor or a very big name or someone who is good in a documentary. I don't know how tactically whatever the Spurs are known to be. To place, to pass the ball or something like that. They have the something, right? Mourinho was a good experiment for them for the first time. I think he in recent times he's a very very big profile signing for Tottenham Hotspur. But we should also know that Mourinho is kind of a dinosaur right now. His tactics, his way of football, it's almost extinct. Football has gone leaps and bounds beyond because that is what Guardiola has done to the world of football. You might like it, you might hate it, you might give all the reasons that he goes to $1 billion teams, this, that, and all. But let's not kid ourselves. Since his revolutionary tactics with Barcelona, the tiki-taka or whatever, you can call it anything, but the
possession football.
Yeah, exactly. The possession-based football. He changed the way wherein how football is looked into, how it is to actually win the matches. And this is what most of the owners and most of the fans would love to see. Attacking good football. Okay, so Mourinho is someone who is a total. I mean, he knows how to win titles. That is what he's known for. And Spurs had gotten him only just for that same reason because they haven't won anything. And I think the owners of Spurs, I don't know. I seriously doubt their intentions whether they want to win trophies or not. I think they're more interested in making money than actually winning trophies. Yeah, it is true how it relates to winning trophies relates to making money and all, but no, it doesn't actually. There is another form of economics that is what Levy and his owner probably are very, very good at. If at all you become top and you go on the top, fans ask you to actually keep on winning and you have to invest a lot more than the returns that you get. So if at all you are just on the brink of it, start and you keep overachieving and you're punching above your weight. And that is what Spurs have traditionally been doing. And that is what they're very much comfortable in doing. And that is what they'll be doing right now with Harry Kane because they know the bunch that they had. They had these three players. I mean, like they had this generation. Earlier, it was a generation of Gareth Bale, Luka Modric, and Levy made a big money out of sale of these two players to Real Madrid.
Yeah, absolutely.
And right now, he's expecting the same thing. Right now, it was a generation of Harry Kane, Son, and Dele Alli.
Dele Alli went backwards. He's gone backwards over the past 2 years. But Harry Kane with a 150 million tag, do you think he will stay or go?
First of all, I think no one will be paying anyone more than 100 million in this transfer season. I think even whoever signs Harry Kane, they should also not be paying more than 100 million. And if some team or some director of football is convincing their club owner that if they should pay 150 million for a 28-year-old English striker who has then I think that person, whoever is suggesting to the owner, that owner should fire that person immediately. Don't even think about
But
it.
what if Harry Kane is the difference maker? Because it's just not his goals. It's about comes with the goals. He also comes with a lot of assists also. He can create opportunity for others in the team. And could he be the missing piece? Maybe a City needs or a United. Like, you never know. Let's think about City. Like, could he have been the difference maker on their team to win the Champions League?
Yes and no. I will give two reasons here. One of the biggest reason, yeah, he will be an excellent addition to the City team. But we should understand here right now, this entire Spurs for the past 3-4 years, they were built. They were built with only one objective. It was a one-man team. Pass the ball to Harry. Pass the ball to Harry. Pass the ball to Harry. That was their only. What do you call? I'm like, the team was totally built around him. And that is why Son always gets some spaces to run beyond defenders, because team are trying to track back Harry Kane. Yes. And this is a season wherein he has had so many assists because, yeah, once again, team are tracking him. It is like that is what Liverpool did in the final of 2008, this thing also, Champions League final. And he's a mainstay right now in Spurs team, the team that is totally built around him. But once he moves to City, it is not the same case.
So do you think he'll move to City, or could he move to France?
He has to adjust being not the main person. He has to adjust being not the main person. Not all this. He's not going to get all the services from all the forwards only to him. There are other any forwards out there. If at all he goes to City, he has got selfish strikers like Sterling out there, Mahrez.
But that's fine, right? But what if that leads him to winning the league? What if that leads him to winning championships and getting medals? Because, like, at the end of the day, you are going to be judged by how much you've won, right?
That once again, that is a decision Harry Kane should make for himself. It is not that. Definitely, in the last 4 years, City have won 3 leagues. Yes. They have done it without without a Harry Kane in the team. City knows how to win the league. Right now, it is left for Kane. What does he want to do? He should have left some 2 to 3 years ago itself. And it is not for money that he stayed back at Spurs. I'm definitely for sure, because he's getting paid peanuts over there. Compared to other strikers in English league, someone who is who's scoring 30 goals and has having somewhere around 20 assists and all, should be he should be the highest paid striker in the league. Actually, highest paid player in the league. I don't know who is right.
That's now, high praises to say Harry Kane deserves that much. So, okay, what about PSG? What about Harry Kane going to PSG because of the Pochettino connection?
Two things out here. I would like to make 2 points. The first one is, Pochettino got the best out of him, and Harry Kane actually grew under him a lot. I think it was ABB, or I don't know whether it was who is that Spurs manager after ABB. I think it was ABB who gave him the chance. But yeah, he has grown a lot under Pochettino. He's had his time under him, but career of a footballer is a very limited one. Pochettino, for all, is good and not, but he is at best a mid-table manager. When you have the chance,
forget about mid-table managers. I'm asking you, Harry Kane. He's not going to be at Spurs because Spurs aren't going to win anything for the next 100 years. No matter how much money they invest in everything else, on the stadium and everything. Harry Kane, will he stay in the Premier League or will he move out? Is my question. And don't go any other manager, nothing. I want this right now, because this is how it's going to end, and this is what we're going to be ending on, because he is England's crown jewel at the moment. Not taking away from all the 17-year-olds, he is a piece. Can he be the difference maker that makes City or even PSG win the Champions League? Because both of them know how to win their leagues. But the French league, we've already spoken the links here on our thoughts about the French league. You can go have a look. But will Kane stay in England or not? Give me a yes
Yeah,
or no.
yes, yes,
At
yes. The
City or
only
at
team
someone
that can
else?
take no, the only team that can take Harry Kane out of England is Real Madrid, and I don't think even Barcelona can tempt him away. The only team that he might be tempted is Real Madrid, not even Bayern Munich. And please let's stop giving this much of platitude for PSG. I still think they're a lesser team than even Southampton or West Ham. To be frank with you, I don't think they had a better season than even West Ham. West Ham had a better season than them. Yeah, let's
Okay.
keep them what, where, and how PSG should be kept. No, never.
Okay.
And I will lose all the respect that I have for Harry Kane or any player who's at the peak of his game moves to PSG just because of money. And this includes even Neymar also. And if at all you want to see how a person's life will be, what he can be, I mean, like, see, I'm sorry, dude. We can make an entire segment out of this Neymar person as a footballer, whatever he is. But I'm extremely sorry.
Okay.
He's
No,
one
no,
sorry
it's good. It's good.
person
I just wanted your
with
honest thoughts. So you're thinking Harry Kane, any European team, name the Real Madrid, nowhere else,
Yes.
Real Madrid. And we'll talk about that more in our review of the Spanish league. That video is also up. Have a look. You'll get an idea about if Kane is the investment that they're looking for, or will Kane land up in an English team. And on that note, from us here at Love of the Game, thank you guys all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. There's more content along the way, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care, guys.